Website building is no longer expensive, difficult, or full of that dreadful code. Nowadays, building a website is affordable, completely code-free, and thanks to AI, incredibly fast. Forget hiring web developers and waiting months for changes. Take control into your own hands and let's build a website with AI. For this video, we'll be using the best AI website builder, Hostinger AI Website Builder. Why is it the best? Because it's extremely beginner-friendly and packed with powerful AI features. Plus, it offers excellent support. Oh, and even though Hostinger is already super affordable, I've left my special discount link in the description. You can also scan the QR code on the screen to get Hostinger with a major discount, and we can get started. First things first, choosing the right plan. Hostinger offers two options, each with different amounts of websites, web pages, and storage. Unless you're absolutely sure you'll only need one small website, I recommend going with the business plan. The price difference isn't that big, and Hostinger makes it easy to upgrade or downgrade anytime. This subscription also maximizes the AI features, including AI tools for writing, image generation, SEO, and logo creation. Plus, you can choose a subscription length that fits your needs. I recommend going for a longer plan to get the lowest price, but you can pick based on your budget or project duration. Don't forget to use the discount links in the description to save big, and we can continue the tutorial. Now, let's design the layout. Here's a cool thing I wanted to share. When you enter your brand name, if it's up to 20 characters, Hostinger AI generates a clean SVG wordmark logo. If you don't know, that's similar to other image formats like PNG, but this one is made from vectors, meaning it can be scaled infinitely without losing quality. So it's a big plus to get an SVG right from the start. If your brand name is longer, a generic logo will be created, but don't worry, you can customize it later. It's just nice that Hostinger thinks about every part of your website. Next, describe your website's purpose. The AI uses that information to tailor the design to your needs. It doesn't have to be overly detailed, but the more info you give, the better the results will be. Watch as Hostinger AI generates a complete website with relevant AI website design and content in just moments. Nice, right? If you want to start over, you can simply tweak your prompt. You'll also get some basic customization options for colors and fonts. But if you're happy with what the AI created, we can move on. Now, for the next part of our journey to build a website with AI, let's fill our site with content using AI. If you don't like the design the AI created or just want to tweak a few things, you can use the drag and drop controls to easily rearrange everything. Need more elements? No problem. While the selection isn't infinite, it includes everything a website might need. Oh, and if you want an even easier customization experience, turn on the grid feature. You can even adjust it to better fit your workflow. But for this example, honestly, there's nothing I need to change. Since you want to create a website with AI, let's take a look at the AI tools you get. First, we get an AI image generator, which lets you craft stunning visuals for your site. Next is the AI writer that generates engaging text for your pages. You've probably seen or used tools like these before, but what's even more impressive to me is the product description generator. And descriptions can be painful, especially if you're selling more than just a few products. Another great addition is the AI SEO assistant. This bad boy optimizes your website to rank better in search results. Search engine optimization can be very tricky. Even after all these years, I couldn't tell you the perfect formula since it changes constantly. So having Hostinger handle it for you is kind of a big deal. What's even more interesting is that Hostinger is already optimized for GEO, an AI version of SEO, meaning your site will appear across multiple types of searches and you only need to go through the setup once. Another big thing for creating a website with AI is using Cody, the AI chat agent. Now I know what you're thinking. You select a few pre-made questions and the AI gives some generic answers. Nope. This chatbot actually understands natural language and you don't even need to use technical terms. It just gets what you're looking for. It can answer every question in insane detail, showing you exactly where to go and what to do. It honestly feels like Cody is your programmer friend you call from time to time to save the day. I really recommend giving it a try. What I also really recommend is having a blog. I know that sounds like a lot of work, but come on. You know we're gonna use AI to make it easy and painless. Hostinger is great for this because of the AI generators I mentioned earlier. With them, you can just set up a blog page and generate some blog posts. The AI will optimize everything from the content itself to the SEO for that post, which means your chances of showing up first in Google searches increase. Now, the only con you should know about is that the Hostinger website builder is still a relatively new player in the market. so there's no third-party app market yet, and integrations with other tools are limited. However, it's really important to note that unlike most other builders, Hostinger keeps upgrading this one constantly. They even share info about their plans in the roadmap, so if you don't find something now, check back after a few months. It'll practically be a different builder by then. One more thing. When building a website with AI, click on this icon to see how your website looks on mobile. Most themes are mobile friendly, so if you didn't change too much of the design, you won't need to do much. Still, it's always good to preview your website on both desktop and mobile before publishing to make sure everything looks great. Almost there. To connect your domain, just follow the prompts. Since a free domain is included in all plans, you can select it and launch your site. Or if you're just testing things out, Hostinger also gives you the option to set up a free subdomain and connect your domain later once you're ready. It's a really cool addition that saves time and reduces the chance of mistakes. When you're happy with your design, just hit publish. That's it. Your website goes live instantly with hosting, SSL certificates, and all that technical stuff handled automatically. All that's left for you to do is admire your new creation and go conquer the world. Well, maybe not the latter. So, to sum up how to build a website with AI, building a website with Hostinger's AI is super easy. We just did it. It's the best way to get your new site live while spending minimal time on the process. Don't forget to share the discount links in the description so your friends can grab Hostinger AI Website Builder at the best price. Thanks for watching this Hostinger AI Website Builder tutorial, and happy building. I'll see you all later.